Hi friends, today we will discuss about DBT tool. Okay, DBT DBT. It's a data fill tool. So far, all these years, we have popular ETL tools. Yeah, ETL tools. So the ETL tools, what they will do is they will extract, transform, and load the data into data warehouse. Try to make the data in a more cleansed, okay, and aggregated level. Okay, this data will be useful for executive dashboards, okay, and business for the business decisions, to make business decisions. Okay, so unlike the conventional ETL tools, DBT is a tool where it will extract, load, and transform the data. Okay, so using this approach, we will get a good advantage to make the process faster. Okay, and everything will be done in house. Okay, so using DBT with Snowflake is like a very good combination to handle huge amount of data. Okay, amount of data to okay, data transmissions or loading can be done very easily using DBT. So DBT we have two versions. Okay, two models, two kind of DBT. One is DBT core and one is DBT. So core is DBT core is absolutely free to use this, whereas DBT cloud will be charged, okay, based on the application usage. Okay, so in this tutorial we will see how to load, how to extract, load, and transform data. For example, Airbnb data. Okay, Airbnb data. It's a Airbnb is like a OYO in India. Okay, so it will have all the hotels information. Okay, it will maintain all the hotels, okay, across the different countries. So we have the three different sets of files which can be available in free domain over the internet. Okay, we will use those free files and we will create a complete DBT complete DBT orchestration to build an end-to-end pipeline, ELT pipeline. Okay, so go here. So this is the basically a DBT will be looks like this. Okay, DBT the data source data will be loaded using the data loaders, and load this data as a raw data. Okay, once the data is loaded into while loading the data and storing the data, we will use the Snowflake as a database. Okay, ETL is just a framework, so it doesn't have any memory, it doesn't store anything, okay, in DBT. So everything will be loaded into Snowflake. Okay, so once the data is loaded, using DBT concepts, we will create a snapshot data, transform data, and we'll test and deploy and document all this data while implementing version controlling, alerting and logging. Okay, so that it will be very user friendly, developer friendly and tester friendly tool. Okay, and we can easily transform the data, and we can it will be easily available for the BA users and also data scientists for the fine granular data. Okay.